Alright, you know what it is. 2026. You know where we at. You know where we at. Been here for about an hour already. Yeah, club is pulling up. You know what I'm saying? Club is pulling up. We're in the house. Had to charge my GoPro up, but we Gucci. Let's take a walk. See what's up in here. It's Myrtle. Don't run me over. See what it is. It's already live. It's crazy out here already. You see what it is. If you get here late, you're not gonna find a parking spot. If you get here late, you're not gonna find a parking spot. Shit is lit. Coming down the block. You know he rolled down. It's my team. I didn't even know my team was here and shit. Yeah, it's my team in the house. So you already know what it is. You already know what it is. With that, that's it. Yo, like, nobody.
Yeah, how many
crosses? It look like 15 people, I don't know. From Georgia, from Florida, everywhere. going on out here. Got the pool. Ain't nobody in the pool yet. 6 feet deep. 6 feet high and rising. Saying palm trees. It's already lit. Just letting y'all know it's lit already. Lit early.